everyone, welcome to our uLearn channel. In this video, let's learn numbers in Tamil. After 10, let's recall Saiva, Ondu, Rendu, Moondu, Nalu, Anju, Aru, Elu, Ettu, Onbadu, Pattu. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21. Last time we talked about this. It is iruvatti ondu and it makes iruvatti ondu. So we can recap this one as well. 20 to 29. Iruvadu, iruvatti ondu, iruvatti rendu, iruvatti moondu, iruvatti nalu, iruvatti anju, iruvatti aru, iruvatti elu, iruvatti ettu, iruvatti onbadu, 30. And we learn about these numbers as well. 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Then how can we write this number in Tamil? 31. So 30, 30 is 30. So this 3, the part 3 we call 30. 30 ondu. So 31 is 30 ondu. 32, 39. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Rule. I think you all can guess these numbers in Tamil. 40, 40. So it will become 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Same thing happens when we talk about 50 to 59. Okay, it's your chance to find these numbers. Ambatti ondu, ambatti rendu, ambatti moondu, ambatti nalu, ambatti anju, ambatti aru, ambatti elu, ambatti ettu, ambatti onbadu. 60 to 69. 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. 70 to 79. 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 80 to 89. 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 90 to 99. 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 90, 950. If the video is useful, please subscribe and give a like to our channel YouLearn. Keep practicing Tamil in English with YouLearn channel. Thank you.